Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. We were studying class 8th, chapter 8 algebraic expression and identities. We have done introduction part and exercise 8.1. So now we are going to solve exercise 8.2. So let's solve exercise 8.2. So the question here given is find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Okay, monomials they have given. Let's solve the question number 1. Let's see how do we take up the question. So here they have given 4 comma 7p. So this can be written as numbers. We will write one side 4 into product means it is a multiplication. So 4 into 7 into p, that is equal to 7 4 is 28. P multiply, the answer is 28p is the answer. Now let's solve the second one. Minus 4 comma 7p. So solution we can write it as numbers one side we will write into p, that is equal to minus into plus is minus 7 4 is 28 p as it is. Answer is minus 28p. Third sub problem. So minus 4p comma 7pq. Minus 4p comma 7pq. So let's solve. Solution. This can be written as minus 4 into 7 into p into pq. So minus into plus is minus, 7 4s are 28. P into p is p square, q as it is we write because there is no other term here q. So we will multiply this as 1 into pq. Therefore minus 28 p square q is the answer. Now let's solve the fourth sum. Now fourth sum is given as 4p cube comma minus 3p. So let's solve. Solution. This is equal to, this can be written as 4 into minus 3 into p cube into p. So therefore we can write minus into plus is minus, 4 3 is 12, p into p cube into p is p raised to 4. This is the answer. Let's solve last sum in first question. Therefore 4p comma 0. Solution you can write it as 4 into 0 into p. So anything that we multiply with 0 is 0 into p is equal to 0 is the answer. So the fifth one what we seen, 4p comma 0. Therefore 4p comma 0, thus can be written as in the solution 4 into 0 into p. Anything that we multiply with a 0 is 0 and 0 into p is also 0. That is the answer. Here we are going to solve question number 2. Find the areas of a rectangle with the following pair of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. So they have given part A, we will see p comma q. Solution. We know area of a rectangular is equal to length into breadth. From the given monomials, we know that length is equal to p, breadth is equal to q. So let's substitute here. Length is what? P, and breadth is what? Q. When we multiply p into q, it will become pq. So this is the answer for the first part. Now let's solve a B part. Here 10m, 5n, two monomials are given. So let's solve it. So we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. So now here in this length is equal to 10m and breadth is equal to 5n. So let's substitute. The length is 10m, breadth is 5n. So 10 into 5 m into n. 10 5 is 50, m into n, mn. This is the area for rectangular. Now let's solve C part. C part 20x square, 5y square. Solution: area of rectangle, length into breadth. Now from this equation we know that length is equal to 20x square, breadth is equal to 5y square. Now both substitute length value here, that is 20x square, into breadth is 5y square. So here we get 20 into 5 into x square into y square. 5 into 0 is 0, 5 to the 10. So x square into y square is x square to y square. So in D part we will be solving D part. D part they have given us 4x, 3x square, two monomials. We need to find length and breadth, that is area for rectangular. Here length is 4x square, 4x, and breadth is 3x square. So in next we know the area for rectangular is equal to length into breadth. So we will substitute length value here and breadth value here, that is equal to 4x into 3x square. Therefore 4 into 3 we will write here and x into x square we will write separate. Then 4 into 3 is 3 4 is 12, x into x square is x cube. So this is the answer for the area for rectangular of this. So in E part we see 3mn, 4np. So in E part we see 3mn, 4np they have given. So we need to solve here. From this two monomials we will find out that length is equal to 3mn and breadth is equal to 4np. Now we know area for rectangular is equal to length into breadth. So let's put a length value, that is 3mn, breadth value 4np. Now write 3 into 4 separately, numbers and alphabet separately, mn into p. Therefore 3 4s are 12, mn into p is mnp. So this is the last sum of question number 2. We have completed this. We will move to question number 3. Now we will be solving question number 3. So here complete the table of the product is the question that they have given. So we have a table in front of us, that is first monomial. These are the first monomial, and the second monomials, if you see, these are the second monomials. You just need to go down, so you can see entire table here. So now we need to calculate this by multiplying first monomial and second monomial. So here 2 2s are 4, x into x is x square. So minus into plus, this is plus. So if there is no sign, that we consider as a plus. So minus into plus is minus, 5 2s are 10, x as it is, y as it is. Now 2 3s are 6, x into x square is x cube. Now minus into plus is minus, 2 4s are 8, x square, x into x is x square, y. 2 sevens are 14. X square into x is x cube y. Plus into minus is minus. 2 nines are 18. X into x square is x cube y square as it is. Now coming down here, there is minus here, there is plus here. So minus into plus is minus. 5 2s are 10 xy. Now this and this we need to multiply. Minus into minus is plus. 5 5s are 25. Y into y is y square. Minus into plus is minus. 5 3s are 15 x square y. Minus into minus is plus. 5 4s are 20 x y square. So minus into plus is minus. 7 5s are 35 x square y square. Now minus into minus is plus. Don't need to write plus, you can just write direct number. 9 5s are 45. X into 1 is x square. Y into y square is y cube. Okay, coming down to 3x. So let's solve 3x. 3 into 2 is 3 2s are 6. X square into x is x cube. Plus into minus is minus. 3 5s are 15 x square y. Now 3 3s are 9. Square into square, x square into x square is x raised to 4. Plus into minus is minus. 3 4s are 12. X square into x is x cube y. 3x square into 7 x square y is 3 7s are 21. X square into x square is x raised to 4. Here there is no y, here 1 y. So y as it is. Plus into minus is minus. 3 9s are 27. X square into x square is x raised to 4 y square. Now minus into plus. So 4 minus into plus is minus. 4 2s are 8. X into x is x square y. Minus into minus is plus. 4 5s are 20 x y square. Plus into minus is minus. 4 3s are 12. X square into x is x cube y as it is. Minus into minus is plus. 4 4s are 16. X into x is x square. Y into y is y square. Minus into plus is minus. 7 4s are 28. X into x square is x cube y. Minus into minus is plus. 9 4s are 36. X square into x is x cube. Y into y square is y cube. Coming down to 7 x square y. So we need to multiply with the first monomials. 7 2s are 14. X square into x is x cube y. Plus into minus is minus. 7 5s are 35. X square as it is y square. 7 3s are 21. X cube. X square into x square is x raised to 4 y as it is. Plus into minus is minus. 7 4s are 28. X square into x is x cube. Y into y is y square. 7 7s are 49. X square into x square is x raised to 4. Y into y is y square. 7 9s are 63. Plus into minus is minus. X square into x square is x raised to 4. Y into y square is y cube. Now minus 9x square y square into first monomials we need to multiply. So minus into plus is minus. 9 2s are 18. X square into x is x cube. Y square as it is. Now minus into minus is plus. 9 5s are 45. X square into 1 is x square. Y square into y is y cube. Now minus into plus is minus. 9 3s are 27. X square is x raised to 4 y square as it is. Now minus into minus is plus. 9 4s are 36. X cube. x square into x is x cube, y square into y is y cube. Minus into plus is minus, 9 7s are 63, x square into x square is x raised to 4, y square into y is y cube. Now minus into minus is plus, 9 9s are 81, x square x raised to 4, y square y raised to 4. That ends the question number 3. Now question number 4. Obtain the volume of a rectangle boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. So we will see the first one. Here they have given length, breadth and height. So let's solve the problem. Here length is equal to 5a, breadth is equal to 3a square and height is equal to 7a raised to 4. Now we know that volume of a rectangle is equal to, so length will represent with L, breadth we represent with B and height we represent with H. So length into breadth into height. So what is the value of L? 5a. Let's substitute here. What is the value of breadth? 3a square. What is the value of H? Height, that is 7a raised to 4. Now 5 3s are 15 and 15 into 7 is 105. A into a square is a cube into a raised to 4 is a raised to 7 is the answer. Here we see the volume of a rectangular is length into breadth into height. So we will write these numbers. Length is 5a, breadth is 3a square and height is 7a raised to 4. So 5 into 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 15 7 is 105. A into a square into a raised to 4 is a raised to 7. Now we will see the second one. There they have given here 2p, 4q, 8r. So L is length, B is breadth and H is height. So from this we know that L is equal to 2p, that is length is equal to 2p, breadth is equal to 4q and height is equal to 8r. So we know that the volume of a rectangle box is length. We know that the volume of a box is length into breadth into height. So now we know length is 2p and breadth is 4q and height is 8r. So we will substitute here length, breadth and height 2p into 4q into 8r. So we can write 2 into 4 into 8 separately and p into q into r separately and multiply. 2 4 is 8, 8 is 64. P into q into r is p into q into r. That is the volume of a rectangular box. So that problem is solved. Now let's go to next sum. Now third one, xy comma 2x square y comma 2xy. So they have given length, breadth and height. So we know the volume of a rectangular is length into breadth into height. So we have written L is xy, breadth is 2x square, height is 2xy. So now the volume of a rectangular box is equal to length into breadth into height. So we will substitute the length value here and breadth value here and height value here. So now, so here there is 1 we consider, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 as it is. So x into x square is x cube, into x is x raised to 4, y into y is y cube. So the volume of a rectangular box is 4x raised to 4 y cube. Here they have given a comma 2b comma 3c. So length, breadth and height they have given. So we know that the volume of a, let's find the solution. The volume of a box of a rectangular is length into breadth into height. So in this case we can write it as volume is equal to length into breadth into height, where L is equal to a and breadth is equal to 2b and the height is equal to 3c. So now we can multiply 2 here 1 there, here we consider it is 1. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. A into B into C is ABC. So therefore the volume of a rectangular box is, therefore volume is equal to 6ABC. That is the final one. Now we will move to fifth question. Obtain the product. Here they have given xy comma yz comma zx. So here we can directly multiply. So we will get x square. X into x is x square. Y into y is y square. Z into z is z square. Or we have to do like this. X into y into yz into zx. Therefore x into x is x square. Y into y is y square. Z into z is z square. So this is the answer. Second sum. Here a comma minus a square comma a cube they have given. So now we will multiply all three. A into minus a square into a cube. So now plus into minus is minus, we will write as it is. Minus into plus is minus, again we will write as it is. A into a square into a cube is equal to minus a raised to 6 is the answer. Now third one, 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. So we need to multiply all three. So we will multiply here. So it is a big number. What we will do, first we will multiply 2 into 4 is a 8y, and we need to multiply 16 into 8 is 128. Y square into y cube is y raised to 5. Now 128 into 8 is 1024. So y into y raised to 5 is y 6, y raised to 6. This is the answer. Here they have given a comma 2b comma 3c comma 6abc. So we will multiply all four terms. So in this pattern. So a into 2b into 3c into 6abc. So here 1 we consider 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 is 6 into 6 is 36. So we will write 36. A into a is a square, b into b is b square, c into c is c square. Answer is 36 a square, b square, c square. Now we will solve the fifth one. M comma minus mn comma mnp. So we need to multiply this, all three we will multiply here. Here there is a plus, here there is a minus, here there is a plus. What? So plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. We will write minus as it is. M into m is m cube, and 1 into n is n square. P into 1 is p. So this is the answer. With this we have completed all 5 questions in exercise 8.2. If you have missed introduction part and exercise 8.1, I have shared the link in the description. You can watch it. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.